Hi guys! One of the best parts of going back to school is rocking a new backpack, right guys?
Yeah!
So today I'm going to show you how to customize a new or an old backpack.
Back to school!
I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. First up is this beautiful watercolor backpack. So what you're going to need is a white or a canvas backpack, some fabric paint, sponge brushes, and a spray bottle.
Okay, now we have a trash bag here so we don't get messy.
And we're gonna start with our lightest color. I'm just doing random strokes. There's really no rhyme or reason to this, but the more paint you use, the brighter it'll be at the end. Okay, I've lost my helper, but that's okay. When you're done, go in and give it a little spritz. And then you can go in with your next color. Give it a spray and then repeat with your last color. And I'm just gonna fill in any other sparse spots with the other colors along the way. Then to get on the sides, it helps to put some gloves on. So I like to give it one last spray, and then I take a damp sponge and run it back over those colors just to help them blend. Don't forget the corners and the sides. All right, we're all done. It's so pretty. You can do the back if you want. I'm gonna put mine out to dry. This one turned out so cool. You can use different kinds of paint, but fabric paint lasts a long time and it really won't come out. Next up, we have the studded backpack with faux fur straps.
The supplies we'll need are thumbtacks, pliers, fur fabric, and hot glue.
All right, this one's super easy. You can use any backpack. All you have to do is figure out where you want to put your metallic studs and then you want to punch them in. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, where should we put them?
I think like on these lines and in the pocket.
All right, so I'm gonna add them all the way around the top of the backpack too. All right, so I've lost my partner once again, but that's okay because we got them all punched through and it's time to bend over the sharp part with our pliers. All right, so the edges are all bent over, but for some extra protection, I do like to go over each one with some hot glue just to make sure the edges aren't sharp. Just a dot over the ends, it'll make it more safe. All right, it's looking pretty cool, but for one final touch, I'm gonna add this faux fur fabric to the straps, because why not? Go ahead and attach it using hot glue. This fabric was super cheap at the craft store and adds such a fun and unique touch. And voila, this plain backpack looks so much cooler now and Olivia's gonna be so excited. And finally, we have these super cool gold foil backpacks. You're gonna need gold transfer foil, fabric glue or foil adhesive, a paintbrush, parchment paper, and iron. And I'm gonna use this plain backpack, but you can really add it to any kind. So I go ahead and put my fabric glue onto a paper plate. I'm gonna take my paintbrush and go ahead and make my pattern on the front of the backpack. Let it dry for about 30 seconds and then it's time to put on your foil. Remember to put the gold side up. Then put your parchment paper over the top of that. Now iron over for about 30 seconds. So you're gonna wanna let this completely cool. I waited about 2 minutes and now we're ready to peel it off. You'll wanna work in small sections and wait about 30 seconds for the glue to become tacky. I'm just making these simple brush strokes, but totally feel free to get creative with stencils. You can really do anything you want here. All right, and for a final touch, I got the super cool rainbow foil that I'm gonna make an ass for Sydney. Oh, it's looking so cool. Sid's gonna love it. And that's it. This really turned out so cute. I love how this one adds a little shine. I'm totally gonna try this on some t-shirts next. And we even added it over our watercolor backpack and it looks awesome. All right guys, I hope this gets you excited for the first day of school. I kind of want to go back with this school backpack and I'll see you next week. Bye.